Hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw, also known as Anodorhynchus hyacinthinus, is one of the most striking and majestic macaw species in the world. The hyacinth macaw is known for its vibrant blue plumage, which covers most of its body. They have a distinctive golden yellow eye ring and a strong, curved black beak. They are the largest of all macaw species, with a length of up to 39 inches from beak to tail and a wingspan of around 51 to 55 inches. Hyacinth macaws are native to Central and Eastern South America, primarily inhabiting parts of Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. They are typically found in tropical forests, savannas, and palm groves near rivers. Hyacinth macaws often form monogamous pairs and are seen flying in pairs or small groups. They communicate with loud, distinctive calls and are known for their intelligence. The diet of hyacinth macaws consists mainly of palm nuts, especially from the bocayuva palms. They have strong beaks capable of cracking open hard nuts and seeds. The conservation status of hyacinth macaws are classified as vulnerable on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's Red List of threatened species. They face several threats, including habitat loss due to deforestation, illegal pet trade, and hunting for their feathers and beaks.